Kufudumele.
It is warm.
Kufudumele. Kuyanetha.
It is raining.
Kuyanetha. Kuyashisa.
It is hot.
Kuyashisa. Kuyabanda.
It is cold. You can also say
Liyabanda.
which means the weather is cold. Now let's practice.
Kunjani phandle?
Means how's it outside. Look at the following scenes and then, using the Zulu vocabulary from this video, answer the question.
Kunjani phandle?
How's it outside?
Kunjani phandle? Kuyabanda.
It is cold.
Kunjani phandle? Kuyanetha.
It is raining.
Kunjani phandle? Kuyashisa.
It is hot.
Kunjani phandle? Kufudumele.
It is warm. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok.